malaki yan.
Valentine's Day
Brunch.
Valentine's Day brunch at home. So we've got this salad masta skillet for our Korean barbecue thing, innit? Cheers! And cucumber for Kiara Isabel. Happy Valentine's Day! Kai Kai, happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day!
Mamaya po, mamaya. Kasi rin po yung mabubos niya. Look at our little princess.
Let's
with her
go.
dress.
Enjoy, baby!
Say hi.
So this is our Valentine's Day brunch. We've got pork and some egg and some cucumber
Ano parang
and rice on the side. Happy Valentine's Day, Mama and Mommy Erica.